Hi folks, welcome back. Well, today's wee mission, we were going to be fitting this solar panel. A friend of mine's dropped it off just about an hour ago. Fantastic, gave it a wipe up. Here's my wee mini, my wee beastie. All cleaned up, ready for a show tomorrow. The big problem was, the solar panel's too big. It's 2.5 metres. They told me it was 2 metres, but it's 2.5. Anyway, the mission today now is I'm going to fit the skylight. So old skylight removed, clean up, and we'll pull out the new Fiamma crystal, which is a 400 by 400. The old one is 270 by 270. So anyway, there's the mess that's left behind. Sandra trying to hide there from the camera. So anyway, here we are. There's the mess that was the old mastic on the skylight. There's absolutely nothing wrong with the skylight, by the way. So if MD wants a good sort of a 270 by 270 pop-up Fiamma skylight, it is a proper Fiamma, it's not any cheap copies. But here you go, the new Fiamma crystal, 400 by 400. Rather suave and sophisticated little item, if I do say so myself. Something to do with the fact that my company is Fiamma Deals. I sell these things. Anyway, as you can see, it winds up. It winds up to a decent angle. Gives you plenty of fresh air. And it's a perm vent, so even when closed, you still get perfect ventilation through it. So yeah, let's get it fitted. So here we are, we're just measuring up the difference between the old and the new, and try to get the best position for a good seal, and to give us a better coverage in the shower room. So yeah, just working out where I want to put it and marking up, and then we'll get it cut out. So it's jigsaw time. So as I say, we'll get it marked exactly where it wants to be. As I say, it's a 400 by 400. The actual opening cut is 390 by 390. As I say, you'll see the difference when I mark it up here and I cut it out. It's quite a substantial difference from new to old. I say the weather forecast has promised a nice clear day today. It's not to be. It's very cloudy, very overcast, but at least it's dry. Although a few times today it looks as if it was going to drop some wet stuff on me, but it managed to stay away. So yeah, get it marked up, Mr. Jigsaw. I'll put these on to fast forward because it's a bit. Let's get the hoover, clear up any little metal filings. But as you can see, the difference between the old and the new is quite substantial. So the only problem with these fine metal jigsaw blades, they're very short. so they don't actually punch through to the bottom end. So I've had to go inside the van to get the remainder of the ceiling out. All in all, it's I'm quite pleased by the progress made today. I would have rather had the solar panel in, to be perfectly fair, because I could have done the 2 skylights tomorrow. Anyway, that's it. One big hole cut in the roof, trimmed up. Let's prep it for getting the new one in. Okay, yeah, back up on the roof, take the little corners out. And then we'll trial fit. Look at that, it fits like a glove. You'd almost think I'd measured it. Anyway, get the DA out, get the hoover on it. We'll clean the edges up, get it back to bare metal, take all the rough shit out. Let's get the little power file, the little finger file out. Just take them between the little notches there. But yeah, it's just a bit of prep, getting rid of the same as when I was doing the windows. Get it back to bare metal. Touched it in with the vac tan again. Although the battery died on the camera, so you never seen that. So there you go, dropped in with the Sikaflex 552, and then once you tighten the screws up, as you can see, the 552 squeezes out. Yeah, it's the little ridges in between the high and the low. There's put little squares of window trim, demold window trim, just to make up the difference between the high and the low. And it just saves a load of Sikaflex, and it makes for a better seal. So anyway, it's all cleared and smoothed off, and then you put a blob of Sikaflex on top of the screw holes as well, just to seal the screws off. Stops any moisture getting down in them, and then smooth it off. And there you go, here's the finished item. So that'll do for now, until such times obviously as the roof gets painted, and then it'll all get masked up again and sorted out. Here it is inside, with the inside vent cover all fitted up. It's coming back off again obviously, but there you go. You turn the little knob, skylight goes up, permanent fly screen. Now you turn it back down and it closes. Isn't that amazing? Thanks for watching, people. Ta-ra for now.